What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. If you're playing Dune Awakening and you've been asked to get to the shipwreck, the wreck of Alcyon, you'll see travel to the shipwreck, gather plasteel microfluorofiber, and gather mechanical parts, as well as a couple of unknown steps here. Now, obviously, it's pretty easy to find, in that you just need to look for the green icon, right? As the quest said, but there's no green icon on our compass, nor on the map here. Where is it? Well, if we look over to the east side here of Haga Basin South, you'll find right here this area. This is the wreck of Alcyon. All we need to do is mark it and make our way over there. Pretty simple, although definitely not green, as this would suggest up here, and the quest as well. You've got a short way to travel. Traveling for literally 1.5 Ks, we finally made our way across here, and as you can see, this thing is massive. It's relatively linear. Across the front, you'll find this main entrance piece, which I assume you're supposed to come in with, but while you're in here, obviously looting will give you the items that you're looking for, but what about this Holtzman amplifier? Well, from the front side of the ship over here, as you can see, the south side, we'll need to head to the northeastern corner of the ship. Inside of it, this room with this big globe, you can loot this loot container, and right next to it, you'll find this. This is what we're looking for. Hold E, and there we go. We've now got the amplifier we were looking for. Anyways, that's really that. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.